SizeFit is an idea I had a while ago when my girlfriend bought some clothes online and nothing of what she ordered fitted when the delivery came. She bought 2 pairs of jeans and a hoodie, and both of the jeans were too big and the hoodie was too small. She's usually an extra small in hoodie and wears size 36 in jeans, and that's the size that she ordered. That's when I thought there must be a size and label comparison site where you can compare sizes from different labels. I did my research, but I quickly found out that there was nothing on the subject. Therefore, I decided to create my own clothing comparison site where you can compare different clothes from different brands when online shopping. SizeFit is a service and a product online shoppers can use to compare garments from different labels with each other to prevent misfits and to receive clothes in misleading sizes when ordering from online shops. The service will be an option on online stores that you can use when online shopping and also in app format. It works because you have 2 options. You can either type in your measures or choose garment you know and compare it to the sizes with the garment you are considering buying. For example, if you own a Zara sweater and you want to buy a Ralph Lauren sweater, you can type in the Zara sweater you already own and compare it to the Ralph Lauren sweater you're considering. SizeFit works as an insurance. And by looking into the market research, online shopping has accelerated significantly in the last 2 years due to COVID, and the clothing segment is no exception. Online shopping has been the proportion of its sales more than doubled during COVID-19. There has been a consumer shift to digital channels, and all research point to a constant change in consumer behavior regarding shopping. Hence, the timing is perfect for SizeFit to enter the market. SizeFit will generate confidence for its customers and add value for consumers and the suppliers within the fashion industry. The most significant challenge regarding online shopping is the considerable variation in sizes from brand to brand. Our large Ralph Lauren could represent a medium in Zara. This makes it harder to order the correct size when you don't have the options to try on the garment as you do in traditional retail shops. The most significant consequences generated by this issue is that customers return their garments and the goods enter the reverse supply chain. This is not only an issue for the customers but also for the retailer and supplier. Compared to traditional retail shopping, the percentage of returning and buying clothes online is between 30 to 40% compared to conventional shopping, which is only between 5 and 15%. This is a vast cost for the operating fashion industries. Still, it also significantly impacts the environment, leading to a massive increase in CO2 emissions and an increased CO2 footprint to the fashion companies. Since SizeFit provides its service through an app and through the websites of the different online stores. The app will have 2 options, one standard version and one premium. And it will work like a social media account where you can scroll through clothes from various brands and different online stores and compare them with other garments you either own or with garments from other brands you know well and have confidence in. The app will also have a function where users can compare clothes they own themselves in size and fit to earn points, which contributes to assembling a lot of great information and the data to the database. When a user has gained enough points, they will earn a discount code and on some chosen online stores, contributing to increased traffic and sales in those stores, which will benefit the online stores. This is the way the comparison option works. Let's say you have a shirt from Hugo Boss and one from Saint Laurent and want to compare them. Then you can either scan the QR code or you can take pictures of both garments individually and laying on top of each other, then uploading them to that. Furthermore, you'll answer some standard questions on how all the garments are, how many times you use them, and add a brief explanation and text box on how they match each other. The other way customers can use our service is directly through online stores. We'll collaborate with different brands and online stores and integrate the SizeFit box on the website as an option where you can either type in your general measures, height, weight, and average clothing size, or compare the garments you're considering buying with the garments that you own that already has a great fit. SizeFit use a market-based view while identifying the early adopters. The early adopters would be girls between the age of 15 and 25. This customer segment would have the most benefit from using our service. Several factors are considered that amplify why these are early adopters. We can see that youth aged between 16 and 24 is the most active online shoppers, and according to Hotsuit, we see that girls in the first age are the most active on social media and daily use of digital tools. Hence, fit styles will target girls between 16 and 25 years in the initial phase. SizeFit will utilize two different business models, one for the app and one for the online stores. SizeFit will use the platform business model and focus on B2B regarding business model for the online shop. The platform business model creates value by facilitating exchange between two or more independent groups, usually consumers and producers. SizeFit will sell its services to the business running online stores and sales, or revenue streams will be generated by a small percentage ranging from 1.2 to 1.5% of every sale where SizeFit has been used. SizeFit has implemented a decreased return guarantee to retailers to make this attractive to our customers. If the percentage of return decreases by less than 10%, they don't have to pay. The app will follow the subscription model, the advertising business model, and the B2C business model. Consumers will have two options when creating a SizeFit account. They can either choose between a premium or a standard account. The standard account will have fewer options, run ads, and generate revenue through the advertising business model. The app premium versions will have two options and follow the subscription models, where consumers have to pay a small fee of $1.2 every month. The premium app will also benefit from the advertising model, because the app will run a cookie-based system that will learn consumer behavior and what kind of clothes the user finds attractive and suggest online stores that may be of interest when shopping. SizeFit will also generate a result in the formation of a community. As we enable externalized innovation, SizeFit will create the means of connectivity. A platform is more than just a technology. It's also a business model, because it creates value by bringing services and consumers together.